Brother Amateur standing right there. That's 3 wasted shots. Hold tight. Come on in. All right. Finally.
So look here, there is this part is a symbol of hell.
Symbol of what?
Hell. Yeah. So this part, there is new bridge. There is new bridge here. And so in the hereafter, we'll see the heavenly Jerusalem because King Lalibela, he was poisoned about 3 days and 3 nights. So at that time, the king, he was visiting heavenly Jerusalem. The way to the kingdom of God, the way to the hell, the way to the paradise. Then after he's poisoned, he's start to choose in the second group churches. So this part is hell and the other heaven. Look, this there is thin rock. So that's symbolic of the way to the kingdom of God. The way to Jesus Christ.
So all of this was one big single rock.
Yes, absolutely.
And the same as the rest of them.
All the rocks, even the northern cluster. Look, the other one, the tents. Behind the typical house. Even there is underground tunnel to connect by short tunnels.
Wow.
Ways up.
Yeah. Natural. The ancestors are pointing out the way from.
This is a gift of God.
Yes.
ጠብቃችሁን አስረዳ really argue about what to do. Yes, I'm taking full advantage.
December? Okay. This is the first access in the second group church. The name of this church is Bete, Gabriel, and Ruphael, house of Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Ruphael. So this church was unique for other churches, north-south oriented, north-south oriented, because that's dedicated for the last judgment. The last judgment. Jesus will judge us, all the persons that are standing on his right side and on his left side. So, look, the pillars as the center parts as dedicated for Jesus Christ, and this is on his right side and the other on his left side. So on his right side, when Jesus say on his right side, when I'm hungry, you are feed me. When I'm thirsty, you are drinking me, so you go to eternal life. And on his left side, when I'm hungry, you are not feed me. When I'm thirsty, you are not drinking, so you go down the hell. Because there is 3 divisions. In the first division, there is water. The second for clothes, and the third for service. That's clothes, the second one is clothes, and the third for service. And some writers believe that this church is a palace of King Lalibela, a palace of King Lalibela, and a royal family of the king. This is the legend part, because Before 6th century, all Ethiopian king, they don't have luxurious house. They were ruled. Their palace was a tent. After 16th century, Ethiopian kings, they tried to build palace. Before that, when the king was ruled 40 years, at that time his palace was a tent. So this is completely the last judgment. That's symbolic of the last judgment. First, we'll go in the Gabriel and Ruphael, then we'll go to the left side, hell parties. Hell parties. All right, that's great. So this is new bridge. Before to build this new bridge, our ancestors, they were throw behind the church. They were access behind the church. This is new. Watch your head here, guys.
That was a good one. Not my head.
Can we ring the bell?